Abusia mimawo akwaba. The ten say Kofi TV, aye Kofi Adoma ngwani ne yuri miracle Adoma. Ana Joyce Mensah atoache no na abusia ade na asi. Yenhwe entie de ko nyina emfree Joyce Mensah akache ene se de osi edi ababa wa no atem e this side.
You say I've posted your wife. Kofi Adoma. Which wife? Are you ready? Your wife, is she Queen Elizabeth or the same Excavator? Now Basa says Excavator and I said, I did something very great. And Kofi was nowhere to be found. You claim you like me, you love me, you like me, you like me. But when it is time for disgrace, you are there to help me to disgrace myself. But when I did something good, something great, music, you were nowhere to be found. Or you say I've posted your wife. Kofi Adoma. Which wife? Are you ready? Your wife, is she Queen Elizabeth or the same Excavator? Now Basa says Excavator and I said any nice elephantiasis no. I will say it again. Who is she? That I posted, somebody wrote something and I posted, I even deleted. I posted, I deleted, I apologized, I begged. How many years now? You still hold on to that? It was just an excuse because a corona a free sunankasano. Yempade papa. You are waiting for me to die today. You are all waiting for me to die. Then you start writing, oh, Joyce was a good woman, oh, she was a good girl, and she helped us, and she came to educate me, and she helped me, and I became, and then she did this, and I will not die for you to, I will take care of myself, until God says, Joyce, you are old enough to die. It was when I came back from Ghana, I sat down to analyze so many things, about the media, and the journalists, and all that. Share me a promotion. Unim sika. I make you for promotion. Oh, some people are so good. If I want to mention media houses who have supported me, you all saw it. But there are some that I had to pay. Most of these guys do interview me. Look, when I was in Ghana, Zion Felix came home. Sammy K Media came home. And I'm so, oh, then later when they left, I said, oh, so this guy is not only when I'm doing something at Enye. I was so surprised and I was so happy. Say, my achieve BBC. But Kofi Adoma, I called this guy, called and texted. See my posting a year, that video, me deleted it, my paga each out, me, sorry, my posting a year. Papa Ben. Delete my videos. It's as simple as ABCD. I was surprised that there were some media houses that used to publish everything negative I do those days. Go on their website. Joyce Mensah puts her tonga on display. Joyce Mensah goes wild. Joyce Mensah dance naked. Joyce Mensah goes crazy. Joyce Mensah goes gaga. Joyce Mensah da. Oh, if you go on their page and you click Joyce Mensah dance naked. Joyce Mensah goes gaga. Joyce Mensah goes crazy. These are the headlines. But this same media house, when I was in Ghana, I was even willing to pay. I was even willing to pay for them to even post me. They will not pick my call. Oh, yes. Yes. Now you see why I am unhappy, why I am so angry. You won't understand my pain until you walk in my shoes. I didn't organize it. I didn't have money to organize a press conference. It was organized by NDC. And Kofi Adoma is part of the team. Now it's your Mukasa Mumbe take coverage. You know, we na can be. Listen to me, Kofi Adoma. If you don't want my troubles, delete my videos. Kofi Adoma Mwanweni, you know that if you don't want my troubles, delete those videos. And let me stop mentioning your names in my videos. Alright? Start 2021. I was struggling here with my daughter. Na mini baby krameda. Me was the organizing press conference. Kofi Adoma, mono mako Jessica with the NDC. Kofi Adoma, if you don't delete my videos, in some mi di beba bontino, ebe jiunsem. You would have to return the money back to the NDC people. All those people who are involved in organizing the press conference. Me sign him. I have told you guys I wasn't in my right frame of mind. Just because the NDC want to help me to avoid arrest. And honestly, if the MPP had succeeded in arresting me, or I haven't stolen money, Anka, I would be compelled to mention names. But they organized a thing, and as stupid as I was, I fell for it again. I only organized the boys. I don't have HIV. I never had HIV. So, all the monies that came from Global Fund for my program didn't end up in my pocket. You can cross-check from my bank account. I don't steal. I never received those monies. Go back and do your cross-checks. And Kofi Adoma Mwanweni, delete those videos. I've seen said, a krona a free soon, so you had the people bien few, but so Jimmy dear, the media will be by you, behind you, beside you, in front of you. 247, they will push your agenda. But bring something good on the table. I'm telling you. So, do your background checks. Who and who and who? Who and who and who and who paid for the press conference? What was the agenda? What was the purpose? Which hospital? No hospital. It was fake. I repeat myself. All monies for my program from Global Fund. Why are the journalists always quiet about these $24 million I always talk about? It's not a business. You don't care where the money goes to, right? And sorry to disappoint you, those monies didn't end up in my pocket. I was only trained to educate. I didn't receive those monies. When I started talking about Kofi Adoma, people started cooling me down. And I started saying, me comedy, me jokey. But hey, my children will not grow up to come and suffer any stupid stigma that didn't exist. Hello, Ghanaian journalists. Hello. Can you please, for once, wake up, get up, go and investigate. Where did the $24 million go to? I don't want to mention names for somebody to say I'm tarnishing their image. If today I come to Ghana and any political party says, hello, Joyce, where is the money? Try to investigate to see where the Global Fund money $24 million went to. They will come and call me a crazy woman. I don't care. I am speaking up for myself. I repeat, the press conference we did in 2021 was not real. I don't have HIV. I never had HIV and I will never, because I protect myself every day. I, Joyce Mensah, will never get HIV. That is why I'm careful with my life. Everything was to avoid arrest, but now I'm not scared. If we should go to court today, I have all evidence that I didn't receive money. Nobody should call me names. Yeah? Do you get my point? Do you get me? Are you getting me? Or you don't understand? If you don't understand, go and ask your grandfather. I have always explained myself. I have always explained explained every day, explained that I worked, I was not paid. But every day they call me names. Scammer. Bring back the money. Which money? Which money? Move on. Hey, this world is not fair. Exactly. When I sit down and I think about so many things, the world is not fair. But I've stopped crying over those name calling. It breaks my heart.
Abusia na kyerɛ sɛ information ɛwɔ wiase o. Utie bi Joyce Mensah ɛka na utimu sɛ ɔmo use no some useless way bi, but same timu sɛ ɔno nso nya kakra firi mu because sɛ ɛnyɛ kwa yɛsɛ deɛ wɔyɛ maduhwam sɛ wɔn bepa ne nsa kɔ sɛ biribi saa. Yes, enti wɔde na ne bre akɔsɔɛ Kofi TV and the reason nti a wɔde na ne bre akɔsɔɛ no ɔno ankasa akyerɛ mu no subscribe to your channel for update. Na amazing, aka you talk too much. If I will see ahasi ye.